Civil servants in Chirezi and many parts of the country have been given these forms to fill in before they are submitted to parliament. They have no choice but to complete and sign them. Zarapena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kuti aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF yoronga zano yekukwikwidzana nekukunda kuti iwane mavotes akawanda pa the two referendums awadziri ahead subscribe or like on the bell icon. Vamweni vaitanga kutageta aiwa vanhu vari kune nzvimbo dzisiri kunyanya kupisa oro vanhu vasiri kunyanya kuziva zvema-constitutional amendments, vanhu were forced kuti vavhotere ZANU-PF. Mopotyaona anoendera mberi anyora achiti meanwhile ZANU-PF is already planning and campaigning for a yes vote in two referendums. That work is already underway. Sadly, an opposition leader is deploying his sidekicks to attack people like Tendai Biti while working to educate and mobilize citizens to defend the constitution. When ZANU-PF eventually delivers the referendum and wins it, do not say you were not warned. Like Donald Trump, who claims he is giving Iran more time to think or effectively mobilizing troops for a possible attack, ZANU-PF is keeping you distracted, focused on the fight for a referendum that is already preparing to control. There is no organized, united opposition to counter this. Those who should be leading that effort are busy attacking the very people doing the work. Live and learn. Domashoko anatoka na upo chikunobva posta this late yamuri kuona yakanzi submission in support of constitutional amendment bill number 3 of 2026. Ndoma developments aripo panguva ine muRezimbabwe ndo patasvika apa. Mbotedzai mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Na comment section medu musango subscribe or like chit on the bell icon.